Okay, on problem number 25. And 25, it looks like a tough problem, it really does, but it's got the root of, and let's write this down, 5x plus h plus 2, and then minus, let's see, 5x plus 2, that's the root of that, over h. And what they want to do is rationalize the numerator, all right? So what I'm going to do is write that down. I'm going to do it by, the conjugate again, and that's going to be 5x plus h, let's see, plus 2, and then it's going to be plus the root of 5x plus 2. And again, if you multiply the top by its conjugate, you multiply the bottom by the same conjugate, right? You don't want to change the problem. So I'm going to write this down for him, and writing it down means to do some of the algebra and hope for a simplification of the problem. And what do you get over there? Well, you're going to get 5 times x plus h plus 2 minus 5x plus 2. And at bottom, you get something kind of nightmarish looking, but you get this over here. I'm kind of looking at that, and the gut feeling about this is, it looks like the top's going to really simplify it pretty nicely. And I'll just go through that with you. And I'm getting a little better at this. I'm going to say 5 times x is 5x, but minus 5x, that disappears. And then you get 5h. I see that over here. You get plus 2 minus 2, which is there's no constants. And then you get h in the bottom, and then this sort of like nightmarish looking root problem. Okay, h cancels off, and what are you left off with over here? Well, you're left off with a 5, and then you're left off with this root problem on the bottom, which is 5x plus h plus 2 plus the root of 5x plus 2. Now, granted, we did, cancel the h over here. I want to point out, for this to remain valid, h cannot equal 0. There are other conditions on it, but I'll be honest with you, it might be difficult to do without knowing what h is, because there's a play here. And some of the plays over here, I'm not suggesting go there, but this radicand, whoops, sorry about that. This radicand must be greater than or equal to 0, and this radicand must be greater than or equal to 0. All right? Now again, I'm just interested in this over here, and my final answer is going to be this over here. H not equal to 0. That thing is going to simplify to this over here. But there are conditions still on the x. But again, I'm going to see these things as being related to h in the problem. And they really are, by the way. When you take calculus, you're going to notice that h is really the big player here. Thank you.